Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Of course, it's your boy The Banks. In this video, I'll be exposing essential forex trading terms that you're supposed to know. As we all know that the essential forex trading terms are part of the table of content of this simplified trading course. So if you are yet to watch my previous video where I list all the table of content of this simplified trading course, do well to go and watch it so that you stay in line. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Let's dive into it. First is liquidity. Liquidity simply means money. When there is enough money in the market, that means there is enough buyers and sellers in the market. When liquidity is taken or grabbed, the market moves aggressively. That means liquidity moves the market. The second is volatility. Volatility is the ability of an asset to move rapidly or unpredictably. Crypto and currency pairs are known for their volatile nature. So if you are trading crypto and currency pair, trade them with caution. Don't go all in because it can send you to a village. Leverage, which is the third in my list. Leverage is the amount your broker is willing to lend you in order to open a larger position. Mind you, this capital is not for free. You have to deposit some chunks of money in order to access this capital. The fourth in my list is pips. Pips stands for percentage in points. It's the measurement of the movement of currency pair. The fifth in my list is margin. It is the fund a trader have in order to access loan from a broker that will serve as collateral. The sixth is decentralized. Foreign exchange is an example of decentralized market. There's no any physical location where you can access the dealer. Everything is literally concluded online. Seventh in my list is lots. Is the amount of currency pair a trader ordered to buy or sell at a particular transaction. The eighth in my list is longs. Another name for longs is buys. This is when a trader ordered to hold a particular asset or security with an intention of making money when the price of the security or an asset increase. The ninth is short. Another name for short is sells. This is when a trader ordered to hold a particular asset with an intention of making money when the price of the asset decline. 10th in my list is break even. Break even is when a trader took his or her stop loss to point of entry. This usually comes to play when the position is already running in profit so that he or she will be running risk free. 11th in my list is sell stop. This is when a trader ordered to add more sell position to already running sell order. The 12th in my list is buy stop. This is when a trader ordered to add more buys position to already running buy order. 13th in my list is buy limit. This is a pending order. This is when a trader places an order at a certain point to fill a buy order when the price gets there. 14th in my list is sell limit. Sell limit is when a trader is also a pending order. Is when a trader places an order at a certain point to fill a sell order when the price gets there. The 15th in my list is take profit. This is a type of order a trader sets in order to take profit out of the market when the price potentially get to his or her target. The 16th in my list is stop loss. This is a type of order a trader plays in order to close a position on loss in order to protect him or her from significant loss. The 17th in my list is point of interest. As the name implies, it is a zone or point where a trader is interested to take trade or set an order. The 18th in my list is structure. This simply means the order flow of a particular asset at a particular time. The price of an asset can be making series of higher highs and higher lows and lower highs and lower lows at a particular time. The 19th in my list is day trading. This type of trading involves holding a position for not longer than a day. 20th in my list is swing trading. In this type of trading, a trader is able to hold a position for more than a day, even up to weeks and months. 21st in my list is scalp trading. This type of trader cannot hold a position up to a day. They can hold position for minutes or even seconds, but they cannot hold a position for more than a day. 22nd in my list is order block. This is two consecutive candles. This is where institutions place their pending orders. 23rd in my list is fair value gap. Fair value gap is a long candlestick that appears in the chart. It showcases huge order that is usually placed by institution or big guys in the space. 24th in my list is order flow. Order flow is the directional movement of an asset at a particular time. Guys, I just opened a Telegram channel where I post my trade ideas. If you want to take advantage of these ideas, The link is in the description. Just follow the instructions, sign up with my recommended broker, fund your account, let's trade. See you in the next one. Peace.